Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Groupon. So let's get started. Open the Groupon application on your device. Now, once you are inside this main home page, tap on the My Stuff button at the bottom right hand corner. Doing this will bring up this interface where you'll need to tap on the sign in or sign up button at the top. Doing this will take you to the sign in area for Groupon. If you already have an account, you can enter your email and password in the respective text boxes displayed on the screen and tap on sign in with Groupon. Or you can also sign in with your Facebook account, Google account, or Apple. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Tap on the sign up button at the top right hand corner where it shows not a member, sign up. Now in the sign up form, you'll need to fill in your full name. Type in your full name in the first text box and on the next field, enter a valid email address you have access to. Once typing in the email, go to the next field and create a password for your account. Once you are done typing in the password, if you'd like to save money by receiving personalized Groupon emails with awesome deals, make sure to check this box at the bottom. If you don't want to receive them, leave the box unchecked and tap on sign up with Groupon. Soon after you are done, you'll be able to create a new Groupon account. Now, simply go ahead and open up your email inbox and open up the email received from Groupon. Tap on the Verify Account button in order to verify your email, and you have successfully verified your email as well. Now, complete your profile, add information about you, such as your gender, birthday, and interests, so that it can help Groupon tailor deals with your preferences. And once you've signed up and verified your account, you can start browsing and purchasing deals and discounts on Groupon. So that was how you can easily sign up for a Groupon account with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.